Samsung dryer model DVE50A8600V troubleshooting. Samsung's smart dial dryer uses AI power to learn and recommend your favorite drying cycles, dries clothing in just 30 minutes with super speed dry, and eliminates 99.9% of germs and bacteria. Troubleshooting. Power issues. Check that the door is firmly closed and confirm that the power cord is plugged into the wall outlet. Verify the wall outlet has power by either plugging a small clock into the outlet to test it or with a non-contact circuit tester. Double-check a tripped circuit breaker by flipping it off and then on. For fuse boxes, replace blown fuses. You need to tap the Start/Pause button if you opened the dryer door during a cycle to re-engage it. Remove the lint filter and clean it, as a clogged lint filter can shut down the dryer. Don't worry if your dryer doesn't power off after it completes, as it requires you to manually turn it off. If the drum fails to turn on any cycle, it's more than likely a broken or frayed belt, which you can replace yourself. Laundry drying issues. When the laundry inside the dryer does not dry, or the heat does not come on, it might be one of several issues. A clogged lint filter. Dryer set to the air fluff, wrinkle or wrinkle prevent setting. The exterior hood to the exhaust may not be opening. A mixture of heavy and lightweight items in the laundry load. The load may not be large enough to initiate tumbling action. Verify the unit has power or gas check to ensure gas valve is on. The thermal fuse or high temperature sensor is blown. Or the heating element in an electric dryer requires replacement. All dryers have a high temperature sensor or thermal fuses that blow out if the temperature inside the drum gets too hot. This element protects other components of the dryer from failing. If you set sheets into a dryer, for example, and opted for a high heat setting on a timed feature rather than using the moisture sensor, the temperature inside the drum can get too hot. If you have the mechanical skills to open the dryer and replace the fuse, you can save a service call. Dryer odors. Issues with smells usually arise from the laundry being dried. For example, if you recently washed a load of laundry or clothes covered with paint, household cleaners or varnish, these smells often stay with the laundry. The dryer's heat exacerbates the problem. Simply open up the windows and ventilate the laundry room before using the dryer again. Dryer noises. The tumbling of bulky items, metal zippers or buttons, for example, makes loud bumping sounds, clicks or metallic sounds. Coins left in pockets that manage to stay in the pockets through the wash cycle often come out of pockets once inside the dryer. Check pockets and remove items before doing the wash, to avoid problems with excess lint from forgotten tissues as well. Download Samsung Manual. After reviewing these steps, if you don't see a solution to your dryer's problem, locate the model number on your Samsung dryer and download its use and care manual to identify and trouble.